Okay. Okay. I mean, if they break out of this, then I really don't need to have all that risk on. Mm. Okay. All right. Come on, Bears. Finish this rotation off, man. Finish it off. Don't let these Bulls come back, man. Finish it off, Bears. Finish it off. Uh, damn. All right. What's up, Mike Stocks? Nice. 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 Nice one, Bears. Nice. 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 And I added to this position too, which sucks. It seems like every time when I want to go a little bit heavy, when I want to go a little bit heavy, right now I'm going to bet that these are going to be a protected high, but I'm not going to make the same mistake like I did the last time. I'm not going to make the same mistake I did last time, but I might not survive this. I might not survive. If this goes back up and retests that high, I'm gonna hit daily loss limit. Ah, come on. Come, oh my, oh, come,
What's going
oh,
on here?
oh, come, oh, shit, fuck, oh, fuck.
What
No,
are we doing?
oh my God, oh, no, no, no,
What are we
no,
doing here?
no, no, no. Oh my God.
What is going
I did
on?
not deserve that. I did not deserve that. Whatsoever, I did
Mess.
not deserve that.
What just
Uh,
happened?
yo,
I'm
if this
just
shit
coming in.
drops. My bad, dude. So I was trying to be cute. Uh, I was trying to be cute, man. I was trying to be cute.
Trying to long that.
No, I was shorting, and I added to the position as it was going my way. Oh my God. Oh man. Yo, no. No.
Why you? Oh,
Oh my God. That is so. Oh my God. No.
yeah. I could see why you were short. Okay,
I mean, this is
but
a short, dude. This is a short. I'm not gonna be tricked by the market. This is a short. You're not tricking me, market.
you might be a little too early right now. Well,
Let's see what they do here. Let's see what they do. I mean, if we get a breakout here, then okay, I'll live with that. I can live with this. But if it goes too high, then I know I'm kind of wrong. A bear's got to try, baby. A bear's got
I
to
gotta,
try.
I gotta try.
No, you. Oh my God. I did not deserve that. I did not deserve that. That was undeserved. That was undeserved. Oh, I was trying to be cute and I added to the position and it came back and no, 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 no.
Oh, I missed it. Oh my gosh, I
And I
missed
hit
it.
daily loss limit too. Oh my God. Ah, damn. Mm.
Sound like maybe it was just a little too early on it.
Dude, when I say that I had like, cause I was originally short at 83, originally short at 83. And so when it came down, I put my stop underneath that low to catch, that sell stop down. Man, it took me, but I was too heavy. If I had my right position sizing, then I would have been okay. I would have been okay. But I'm in
Yeah.
a 50K and I put on 22 contracts. Against me. I'm not even
Dang,
mad because I shouldn't have done that. I shouldn't have done that. I shouldn't have done that. I'm not mad, but yo, that's crazy, man. That's not even fair. All right, so I'm gonna protect my position, and that's not even fair, man. Uh, all right. The way to start the day, trying to be cute.
Funny.
All right, so let's see. Yo, these bulls are being super regarded right now. What's up? What's up, bulls?
How they are.
Actually, you know what? I'm making a mistake right now. Let me look at the numbers. It's going to be that job numbers that's going to be the determining factor what direction the market trades into today. Actually, what I missed an opportunity to add to the short. I missed the opportunity to add to it. I missed it. I missed it. I should have did that. I should have well, I missed the opportunity to add to it. Man. I missed a good opportunity to add to it right here. Mm. Break my rules, find out, apparently. And it's a good opportunity to get a good scale in. So yeah, the Bears got this for right now. I think we're gonna go try to get back into this range before we see like real bullishness, like real bullishness. But the only thing is will I survive? I will be trailing my position, win or lose. I gotta start getting into the habit of not giving back gains. This is not the
Yeah.
Nasdaq. This is the ES. So speaking of that, no, I'm gonna keep my stop there. I'm gonna keep it there. I'm gonna keep it there, man. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Huh? So is this trying to go longer? All right. So where's the market? Where's the market? The objective. I think the objective might be. You know what? I'll try for it. Well, never mind. Because the bulls are buying this. We have a so right now I'm gonna have to probably be a little bit patient in this because I don't think I'm gonna get what I want. So I know that we were bullish, but I mean I wanted to try that short. I maybe have a big move up into a bullish range. So what I thought this was the sweep of liquidity right here for at least a retest back down here. So we could see this, but it looks like the market wants to hold this range up here. It seemed like it wants to hold this range, but I doubt it though. I mean, I doubt it. I doubt it. Hmm. Hmm. You know what? I'm gonna try, man. Yeah, I'm gonna try. It's not the best entry though.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Serious missing my. Why does the NQ do that to me? What?
Let me look at the NQ real quick before I take this short and see if she's
Yeah.
ready to pump. Nah, she's ready to dump. Let's see that. Actually, like I said, I made a mistake today. I made a mistake. I didn't look at the news because we had the
Um,
job numbers this morning, and that was going to dictate. So we have continuous jobless claims. They came in as expected. Initial jobless claims came in under expectations, and the initial jobless claims 4-week average came in. Oh shit! Nah, that's about to go down.
all
That's
right,
going
first
down.
TP. Dang it. Did ordered the EMA. All this volatility, you kind of have to just take.
What the market gives you.
Yeah. Get off the board. Change
All right, here we go. I want to have my run it back into this range, baby. Just run it back.
Ooh.
God dang. Oh my God.
Oh. 5. 23%. See, you gotta.
Okay, man.
Oh my gosh. Gotta be cognizant of that.
Cognizant of what?
23% on my chart.
You know, if this gives me break even, I'll probably take it, man. I'll probably take it because, okay, it gave it to me like for 2 seconds. I mean, it looks like it wants to pump, but like the EMAs are flattening out. We are consolidating in a range. It does look like we had a super liquidity high. Like, dude, it looks like the Bears want to take over a little bit, but the Bulls are just not letting them do it for right now.
Yeah, you might need a little bit more patience. I think the Bears gonna come in now.
Okay, there we
Sweep
go.
all the way back to my break even though. That's Nasdaq was all the way back to the break even. So it hit the 23, bounced off of that. Then that's like 30-point swing back to break even.
Really?
Like, yo. Stop
Okay.
doing this to DAQ. Stop it. We just need a break below that. 23% kind of likes to act as support resistance. So
Okay. I'm probably going. Oh shit. Shit. Okay. I think that's about to be the. That's a stop run. Ah, crap. Okay.
nah,
Yes.
it's
Go
still
ahead.
in downtrend. It's still a downtrend. You good. Don't worry. At least on NQ. I don't know if ES is divergent or whatever.
I mean, dude, it looks like it, but it just seems like right now the Bears got, or not the Bears, the Bulls kind of got the momentum, but I don't have the best entry. That's why I'm kind of like, I don't
Oh,
know.
I see. Yeah, I'm looking at your chart. Yeah. You're kind of on the lower end right now on
Yeah,
ES. Nasdaq is trying to run away. I'm shooting for VWAP on NAS,
be up.
or at least close to it. Yeah,
There the
I'm kind
Bears
of
go.
I'm front running it a little bit. Maybe I'll do like 12 points from VWAP. At least
Take
I
it right back into that range, baby.
know I should get it.
You know what? Maybe I should. Honestly, I'm trying to get comfortable, but like I said, I don't have the best entry, so it's not like I took an entry all the way up there. So once I see my 10, damn it, yes, come on, baby. Don't do this to me, man. Don't be mean to me. All right.
Pretty solid. Solid. Actually, let me
Mm.
not be greedy. Not
Just
be
take that
greedy.
first big target, baby. There we go. Shit, if you run away, I'm gonna chase you.
Run
You ain't
away.
about to take my love away. Nah, fuck that. All right. I got the bulk of my profits up, off. All right, so this is what I did today, guys. So I was up trading all last night.
Again.
I was trading all last night. Yeah. And I made $700 on this drop so far, and I hit daily loss limit trying to be cute. All right. Trying to be cute. There we go,
Oh,
baby. We trust the charts, baby. We trust the
oh,
charts.
baby.
We trust the charts.
Oh, baby.
We trust the charts, baby. Oh man, I ain't gonna lie. She had me there for a second. I know for like 2 seconds, like, dude, this looks like it wants to go down. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. But we may get a bounce somewhere around here. So what I'm gonna do is actually take one more off, and I'm gonna start trailing this. I'm gonna start trailing.
Caught 100 points
You
on
caught 100
Nasdaq.
points? Yo,
I think
congratulations on
so.
that, man.
I think so.
Oh no, you say you caught it, right?
Yeah.
Yo, you
Yeah.
say, hold on, you say you think. I mean, I'm thinking we're back. All right, the pressure's off. The profits has been made. I can go to the sim now because I have no more accounts to trade after this. After we get done with this. Whew. I'm not gonna lie, man. That was yeah. And I'm just gonna trail this position. I'm not even gonna add to it because this is my funded account. That's why I was like, oh man, no, did I make a mistake? And yo, let's go back to that previous trade because yo, I would have been in this shit literally at the top, but then I tried to add and be cute, and then it came back in for this unnecessary sweep of liquidity right here. I was too heavy, hit daily loss limit just for it to go in my direction, man. Not gonna lie,
Yeah, I
man, that kind of hurt.
think NQ's going for VWAP at least, maybe
Man.
front run. So I'm front running it like 12 points though. I don't care. And I'm in the sim, but still, I'm trying to treat it as if this is
Real. Yeah.
real. Oh yeah, that was a beautiful entry. I mean, it could have been better because they swept high, I guess, to trap
Hmm.
on Nasdaq. Come on, baby, doing me like that.
Oh yeah. Speaking of that, oh yeah. Yeah. Give me a second. Give me a second. JC. Speaking of speaking of what we was talking about earlier, man, I was so happy that Alfred got his payout last night, man. I was so happy about that. Switching to micros, and that had me thinking like last night because I remember well I was telling y'all that I over leveraged and blew the account, and well not blew the account, hit daily loss limit, and I did the same thing this morning, and I was sitting there thinking like, yo, micros, I can consistently make $1,500 with only 11 micro contracts. I really don't know why I try to add to the position. I really don't know why. It's like a what do you call it? Like a tick, a habit, an impulsive habit, I guess. Because I mean, because I mean, I was literally at the top. I mean, if I stayed in my original position, I would have took that little bit of drawdown, but from 83 all the way down here to 60, that would have been like what, a 20 point move, 23-point move. I would have made all my money, but it would have been nice if I got my ad in though. I mean, that would have been nice, but still, I guess I really didn't have to do it. So I was like, well, that is something that I kind of been I've noticed that every time I over leverage, for some fucking reason, I lose. I don't know why. I don't know why. I don't know if that's myself punishing myself for breaking a rule, but yeah, every time I over leverage, I hit daily loss limit, and I don't know why. But then when I do correct position sizing, strategic entries and exits, I make $1,500. I've seen myself consistently make $1,500 per account trading just 11 micros in the ES and catching points. So I'm gonna get in the sim. So none of them in the sim. I mean, I made $700 in my funded account this morning. I made $1,500 in my other account trading overnight, and I lost $1,200 in this account over leveraging. So actually, let me just write that down real quick. Let me write that down. I got to stop over leveraging. Stop over leveraging. And if I do scale in, my scale in rule is that I can't scale in more than 3 contracts. So after I get the initial contracts hit, if I want to scale in, I can only scale in 3 additional contracts. I can't scale in a full position anymore because I would have survived if I did that, if I followed that rule, I guess. So I guess it's a lesson learned. Guess it's a lesson learned. All right, so mental dump. So yeah, that's gonna be my new rules now. Okay, so all right, so this is what I see on the Nasdaq. I see that we got prices coming back up to this range right here. So just be mindful of that. And we got news coming out in 5 minutes. All right, so I wouldn't try to short this. So if we see a move down when the algo hits, I would actually buy this. I would buy it because we got a sweep of liquidity underneath this range. And obviously, since we got the sweep of liquidity, prices, yeah, well, look at that, is going to break out of this range. I was hoping for a pullback to get into a safe entry, honestly. But I'm going to make the assumption that the market is going to want to at least retest or take that high out. But I'm not blind to the fact that the bulls failed to take price higher, and we've been kind of trending down, but we got that pop. So they may try to short this. They may try to short this. So just be mindful of that. They may try to short that. But like I said, if they pull it back, I would try to go for a long here. And yeah, Mike Stocks, I would agree. I will agree. I've gotten too comfortable gambling. I've gotten too comfortable gambling. I've been writing in my journal about that a lot. So I'm conscious of it. And it's interesting to see. It's interesting to see the or not to see, but to observe the inner thoughts, the inner workings of how I try to convince myself to continue to gamble, even though I know it's wrong. I mean, I still do it here and there once I get into that euphoria state where, oh, I've just won 3 to 5 trades in a row, little drawdown, caught 20 to 30 points. And once I get into that state and I get into that high state, I start to gamble. That is something that I've noticed. I'm working on it because I mean, it's an impulsive tick. That means I have to think about it, I have to catch it, and I have to stop it. But that's challenging to do when you're in a euphoric state. So something I have to work on. Yeah, if we can get a pullback to 125, because they might keep trending it right here at this golden zone. Because I mean, you got the golden zone, you got the 21 EMA here right here. You got to break a structure here at this golden zone. So I'm gonna make the assumption that they're gonna try to pop it here, but I'm gonna wait for that drop first. I'm gonna wait for the drop and see the reaction, and then if I see a bullish pin, then I'm gonna get in. Nasdaq futures. So what are you looking at right now, Smith?
I'm just looking. I'm thinking, like you said, they're gonna try to pull it back some, and it might give people an opportunity to either get in long or it's gonna do one of two things: either pull back for more buyers to get in long, or they're gonna try to flush it again. But I'm thinking the latter right now, just to pull back. But maybe not. It could go. It's looking. It's that point of control, so it rejects, pushes back down.
Yeah, so just be mindful that this is a range right here. So I'm gonna keep this drawn out on the chart so y'all guys can see it. Yeah, come on, Nasdaq, pull back, baby. Oh, so we can get back in long.
Took off.
Yeah, they might. So yeah, I'm expecting it. Like, so I'm like, dude, I'm expecting this pullback. Like I said, I think they're gonna pull it back right here. But that's where I'm going to expect it to go, unless they break out. Now, if they break out here, then I know that once they break out and they pull back to the top of this range, then that will be the best opportunity to get in long. But I really think they're going to pull this back before they pull it back up. Or at least that's what I'm hoping. That's my bias is, because okay, so they broke out of the range. Let's see if we can get a pullback. Okay. Yeah, Mike Stocks. I mean, it sucks, man. I mean, I wish emotions were something that we can turn on and off at a whim. While you're on the charts, emotions that have no place on the charts. Unfortunately, the only thing that emotion serves is to allow emotional traders to become liquidity to the traders that come into the market with the plan. I mean, that's the only thing that emotion serves in this market is to help traders become liquidity for people with the plan. But outside of that, if you have a winner's mindset and you want to win, emotions have no place here. That's why we trade with our charts, not our hearts. But for some reason, our hearts always want to override, thinking it knows better than what we see on the charts. Always, man. Always. I don't understand why your heart thinks it's so smart when it comes to these charts, but it always likes to emotionally hijack you and say, nah, this is what's happening, and then it'd be wrong. And then it'll do it again. So, like, no, I'm taking control. I can't stand this. That's probably why it happens, because I mean, I guess as humans, we want to avoid pain as possible, and the emotional pain is too much. So it says, nah, we're tired of this. We're just going to take this. We're going to get this over with. Either it's going to work or it's not going to work. But its objective is to not feel that pain anymore. Well, there goes that breakout. All right. We missed, well, at least I missed it. I missed it looking for that pullback, but we didn't get it. But we did get a super this liquidity, though. We did get a super this liquidity above this high. So I do, oh crap. I do expect for either we get a slight pullback or the market to continue to shoot up to the upside. But just be mindful, it just swept liquidity. And let's get the ES. Good thing I got out of that short. Look at that, dude. Look at that. What I should have did was once I saw, well, no, I was in my funded account. I don't play those games. And then at the same time, I can only make $600 to $700 in my funded account anyway to keep it consistent. Damn, look at that. You know what? I'll try it here. I'll try. I mean, we got to super this liquidity. I just saw the ES getting close to its resistance area. Let me actually look at this at the higher time frame first, real quick, with the NAS. Okay, so I want to see what price does when it gets up into, if it gets up into like 290 or something like that.
I think we're going to possibly push to like 312, 313.
312, 313.
Before we see any
Hmm. 312, 325. I mean, I'll try it out. Yeah, I'll try. Just don't break my heart, Nasdaq. Just don't break my heart.
she's
Don't.
short now.
You said what?
She's short changes now. Let me. What was that run up? Measure that.
Just don't break my heart, NQ. I know I'm shorting a bullish trend. I know I'm wrong here, but I just want to get away with it. Just want to get away with it.
118-point run up. Dang. Talk about volatility.
Yeah.
That was just basically off the. Say it was, well, no, because it was running up before that. I guess it was prepping for that 9 o'clock algo. Took off.
Mm-hmm.
Did hit.
Yeah, I mean, I would have preferred to be on the bull side today, but I mean, once we didn't get that pullback. So I think we can at least pull back. I think I can get at least most of my targets hit here. Oh, I got the wrong strategy anyway, I think. No, this is the right strategy. This is the right strategy. This is my Nasdaq strategy. There we go, baby. Hit that first target. There we go. There we go. There we go. All right, so I think we can get our second target hit. But yeah, I think we can get the second one hit. I think we can there we go. Last get my damn thing. She says the Nasdaq was like, "Oh, he's in the sim." He's in the sim. I'll be nice to him. I want him to get real comfortable.
Yeah, I'm just baiting him, waiting for that funded account.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. All right, man. That was a good trade, man. Regardless, I mean, we got both the first and second target hit. You know what I require. It's like this fool. He thinks he can just come back to me and not give me what I require.
Domain expansion. Account sacrifice.
Account sacrifice.
Domain expansion.
All right, so let's see if they're gonna try to double top it. I mean, I'll try it again, man. I'll try it again. Why not? I'll try it again. And this time, with it being a double top, I can kind of like literally, I don't have to have so much risk on this with it being a double top. So I would actually probably put this a little bit higher. A little bit higher. Give it like some room. Because the NASDAQ is not the ES. Show sweep the liquidity above that high for no reason. Okay. All right. Let's see how this works out. Let's see if it'll play. So I think what the market is, I think the reason why the market is so bullish. I mean, for the most part, the market now is under the impression that the Fed will come out with an emergency rate cut due to the job numbers that due to the job numbers that we saw on non-farm payroll. And I'm going to make the assumption that they're looking at the jobless claims today. And I think what they're thinking is that, oh, okay, well, now the Fed has to come out with these emergency rate cuts. They have to. I don't think that's how the Fed works. Like I said, I don't think Jerome Powell gets his data from Financial Juice like we said the last time. I don't think he gets that data from there, or at least we will hope not. But that's what the market thinks. So, I mean, or the market is under that impression. Okay. So we're like super bullish right now. We're super bullish. Okay. All right. So now we're trending. Now we're trending. Price is trending now. So if you're trying to short this, I would refrain from shorting until we see some exhaustion. An exhaustion would look like, if I can get like an example of exhaustion. This right here is actually an example of exhaustion right here. We got them trying once, they went lower and they tried again, and you can see that they failed here. So we need to look for this little pattern right here. And this will be the indication that at least the bears or the bulls are exhausted and the bears can come in and take price down like they did right here. But we're definitely trending now since we got the break of this high, and it does appear that the market is still going to the upside. So if we can get like a decent pullback right here, I'll buy this candle. I'll buy this if we can get a pop. I'll buy it if we can get a pop. Unless this was a mean reversal pattern. Because I'm gonna think now they're gonna protect this low. Okay. All right, so let's see what they do here. All right, we got that first target hit. So should I reduce my risk on this? Because I mean we are kind of high. I'll reduce my risk to underneath this. We are kind of high right now. We are high. What do you think, Smith? Are you in this long or are you trying to short it?
I think we're high, but at the same time, I think we could still go higher.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Let's get that second target hit and I'll be happy. As long as we get the first and second target hit, the runners are just like the icing on the cake, baby. There we go. All right, it's all icing, baby. It's all icing, baby. It's all icing. We can put our stop to break even, get into that habit of doing that, protecting the capital for that funded account. All right, so we made the first and second target. So if this was a funded account, everything else is gravy. Everything else is gravy, baby. Okay.
Hey, if they get super regarded, see a level that's like 100+ points away.
We're at
400.
400. Oh yeah, Smith, you've been doing that a lot, man. Hey, you gotta, you gotta be confident in the call outs, man. You gotta be confident, baby.
I just want to see how it play out.
Last night, so my call out on the ES played out almost to the damn T. Like, no, not almost to the DT. Exactly. My ES played out well. My Nasdaq took my Nasdaq play took a couple of I think 20 to 40 points in drawdown. So last night I was looking for a range between on the Nasdaq 857 and 806, but unfortunately I was about like 100 points off, and the low on the Nasdaq was 745. But I was also looking for a range between 195 and 180 on the ES. And when I say that, because it initially bounced, I think at 197, and then we had that big sell off all the way to 81. And oh crap, okay, I made a mistake. And from 180 all the way up to 300, that was like a 120-point move so far. And that's why I was up last night, because as I was recording it, it bounced at 180 and I was like, fuck, I was looking for this. I should have set an alert or something. I'm gonna start doing that, like when I'm editing the NA meetings, to set an alert for my levels just in case it hits. And I was able to catch the pullback, and I was in at around like 200 or something like that, and caught the move up until about 340. So I was able to catch that move. All right, baby. So we have 50 points in this. Can we get much higher, NQ?
Oh, I thought that was a yes.
No, this is the I switched to, because JC asked to look at the Nasdaq, and I was already done trading the ES for today, so I've made my money in the accounts. A 100-point Sherm, baby. We gonna get it. We gonna get it. 100 points. Actually, let's put this at 100 points. Let's put this at 100 points. 73. So we're gonna put this at 74. Let's see if we can get it. Let's see if we can get it, baby.
Jack that at the top of this.
Yeah, I see that.
Once it gets past this, though, I think
we can get much higher too. I think so. I mean, if I look at the higher time frame, I think we got. I mean, we can get all the way. You know what? It's gonna probably shortchange my 100-point target, and then we'll see. I mean, we do have that value area high here at 382 on the Nasdaq. We'll see. I mean, you might not be too far. Oh, go ahead.
I was just saying, first target hit at 350.
Congratulations, dude. We might get that 509. I mean, we might get to 509. Actually, no. Okay, I think I know what they're trying to do. They're gonna probably reject that 390, 394-ish. That's what they're gonna probably try to reject that, because that's the 394 is the bottom of that previous gap that the market filled, and 509 was the top. So what they're probably trying to do is probably kind of get back into this area, maybe 385, 394, in this 10-point little range right here. And we'll see what they do. We'll see what kind of reaction that we get from the market when price trades up into this area, because I think that's what they're trying to get to. And then we can see like a reversal or a small reversal or something like that. All right, so my scaling says that I can scale in 3 more contracts. That's what my scaling says that I can do. My rules. So I'm not risking all of my profits, and I don't know why. I don't know why I just didn't do that in the first place. Honestly, I don't know why. Is that a good scaling place? Is that an area for a good scaling? I kind of just want. I don't want to put too much risk on this. I just want to keep it underneath that low. I have no clue what this is doing. Okay. Right underneath this low. Yeah, because it might be trying to get back down here to the 21. Okay. Yeah, I kind of figured that's what it was trying to do. Okay. I'm in short for some reason. I'm in short. I don't know why. I'm in short. Or no, I'm not in short. I just moved my average entry up. Let's see. Of course. Of course. Nasdaq. Of course. All right. So we'll see. We'll see if they buy it here at the 21. I'll just keep that up right above that candle. Okay. All right. So I think that's a good scale in. Get 2 targets going off at my 100-point target. And probably retest is 23%. And I think we're good. I think we're good. 81.50. There we go. Kind of want to put it right underneath that. All right, let's see if we can get these targets hit.
Right. Oh, and Q. Oh, could you
I know,
get
right?
it? What a drop.
Yeah.
Ready to relaunch in Q whenever you're ready.
I know. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Yeah, it would have been funny if it just dropped.
Blast off.
Get that first target hit, baby. Take the pressure off. Alpha says that we got a bull flag. I agree. I agree. I definitely agree. If they can hold off this 21, I mean, they might go for this. They might go for the 50. Hopefully they don't. I mean, obviously for the sake of the position, but I would kind of like to stay in this for favor Nasdaq. I know that's too much to ask nowadays, but I would like to stay in this.
Yeah.
Nasdaq says, you know what I require. No act brand new.
Liquidation. Margin call.
Nasdaq does have different domain expansions. Liquidation, margin call, account sacrifice.
Yeah, she's ruthless with it.
Account sacrifice. All right, hit that first target, baby. Nice. You know we love to see it. Nice. There we go. First target hit, baby. Let's go. All right. I still got my 100-point target at 374. I'm still in my original position, even though my average entry is all the way up here now at 317.
Killed in.
Yeah. I followed my, well, I didn't just create the scaling rule, but I'm just going to start following it now. Just scaling in 3 contracts only on both the Nasdaq and ES, and just going from there. Excuse me, because once I get my first full position filled, I can scale in safely. I mean, even if I lose on it, I still have the bulk of my previous position, and yeah, I can just call it a day. Either I'll make some money, or I make a lot more money, or I just lose a little bit, which is ideal.
And go for VWAP down there, back there.
Is that a
They
day?
shortchanged it. front ran VWAP back in by like 10, 12 points. So I'm sure everybody that was short back here, it was going down. Was like, yeah, set my TP at VWAP.
Yeah.
Done. Oh, missed you by like 12 points. Heartbreaking.
Yeah. The Nasdaq is so good with that. Like, that's why if there's a gap, I know not to ever put my target near that gap because it never fills it the first time. It just uses it as a trap for whichever side of the market. So for the bulls, like last week, it was used as a trap for the bulls to keep buying. And then after I think it filled like maybe 4 points of that gap, and then it dumped all the way down, trapping in all those freaking bears or bulls that was trying to get that gap fill. And then it did it the last time. And as I do a lot of back testing, the Nasdaq does that shit. Like if it sees like a market objective, it front runs it like 10 to 20 points, and then it reverses. 100-point Sherm, baby, let's go. 100-point Sherm, baby, let's go. Only 10 more points. Of course, Nasdaq, you don't want to give that to me, of course. But yeah, so from now on, when I trade Nasdaq, if I see a gap, I know to just set my targets like 10 points up before, because she always front runs it. Always. Yo, no way.
Yeah, my target was at 70 and a quarter, and she missed me by like a point.
Typical Nasdaq behavior. Yo, yeah, Alfred, I don't know if he was here earlier, but we was talking about you, man. But yo, that's crazy. $10? Yo, that's crazy. But I mean, as long as you made the $150 and you close the account out, and you can get that shit tonight.
$10 is wild though.
Yeah, I know.
That's on some Apex type of behavior. I've been looking at your account and you're over by $10. Can't do it. Nah, that's crazy.
Yeah, but go ahead.
You get that tonight. Get that mess tonight.
Yeah, good thing. I mean, shit like that. Somebody probably would have went tilt, but you didn't let that shit happen to you. So congratulations on that. That emotional control, saying, you know what, I was over $10. I can easily make this $150 back. I don't need to go tilt because of this. But some people would have went tilt because of that.
The old me.
Yeah, remember when we went tilt when dude, I don't remember why we even went tilt. When we almost passed the U Profit, what was that shit called? The Freedom account? The last day, because I lost $10, I blew the whole account.
Yeah, I lost $10.
Lost $10 in the little account.
That is insane work. Dang, NQ.
I know. 100-point Sherm, baby. Let's go. All right,
Final target 390 for me. Final target, baby.
390. Shit, we can get much higher than that. Oh, actually, no. You're right. I think they're gonna try to do that shit. That's what the NQ loves doing. That's what she loves. So you'll get it.
It was 390 and a quarter, but it hit 390. Oh my gosh.
You'll get it. There you go. You got it. All right, so let's see what they do at 396, 394, 396, because they might try to dump it there. So let's see. Let's trail our stop on this. We'll trail the stop, put it in profit. Hold on, let me make sure I'm reading this right, Alfred. You say you was heated, and as soon as futures opened, I went long and got some points and closed. Okay, I thought you said you lost. I was like, oh, whoa, what the hell? But I'm just glad it worked out for you, because I know in a situation like that would have pissed me off, and I probably would have did the same thing. So I mean, emotions in this game, yeah. He just become liquidity for the well-planned traders, man. Unfortunately. All right, so I think they might try to drop this here. They may try to drop this here.
What? Yeah, they're probably gonna front run 400. Either they front run 400 and drop it, or they blast. Well, I don't want to say blast through. They fill those orders at 400, maybe get a little bit higher, and then drop. It's you know how they do.
Yeah, honestly, this actually might be a good short for the ES as well. This actually might be a good short. This actually probably is a great short. Yo, they're about to flip. I don't have an account. No, I don't have an account. No. I don't have an account to short this. No, I gotta wait till tomorrow.
Oh, I don't know. On NQ,
this is going down. Go ahead.
I want to see them sub 300 to really believe that they're gonna come in, but by that time, that's like you missed out on the majority of the move if that were to happen.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, Alfred. So I've already got 3 funded starter accounts. So I mean, eventually I just have to that's what I'm kind of working myself up to. Just getting back into that mindset to trade consistently without emotions and stuff like that. Because I mean, I already got 3 funded accounts already. I made money in 2 this morning. I made money in 1. I made money on stream, the $700. I hit the daily loss limit in the starter account this morning, unfortunately. And I made the 15. So, I mean, I don't have any other account. I guess I could buy another one, but I just have to start trading these funded accounts now. I just have to start trading them. I don't want to get into a habit of just passing the evals and not actually trading the funded account because I don't want to actually sit down and trade them. Yeah, I think we're done here, guys. I think we're done. I mean, the Nasdaq might do some more bullshit, but I think they might try to. I think the Nasdaq is done. We're done on the Nasdaq.
Look at Bookmap. They always do that. They always do that now.
Yep. They always front run. Always. The ES will come back and always get it. The Nasdaq will always front run. I've just noticed that. I noticed that behavior, that personality between the two.
Well, let me say, they've been doing it more frequently lately.
Mm-hmm.
Frequently. Let me get a couple points away from the objective up here that everybody expects. No, I'm gonna drop 40, 50 points.
I mean, like I said, man, this is not a surprise. I mean, I think they're trying to front run that gap fill. I mean, we got to remember that just because you forgot about it, the market don't forget. The algorithms don't be forgetting. I was like, that's a good place to actually offload some of my position and trap as much bulls, because bulls are going to do what? Try to get that 400. But I can offload at that little gap fill. But, this is a NASDAQ. I mean, the NASDAQ does like to humble traders and be like, you thought I was going to get the 400? I'm getting the 400. But until I'm proven wrong by the price action, I think this might be it. I
think she's still trying to trap bulls long.
I think so, dude. Because I mean, it just makes sense for them to reverse it here. I mean, you're right there at that gap fill. You already see it starting to sell off. Everybody is going to buy until the price gets to 400. But I think that's about it. I think that's all we get today. We had this massive run up, no pullback. We're getting close to that reversal hour. All the signs are saying that we about to go down, baby. But we'll see. In order for, like I said, I've already shown you the pattern to look for the bears out there that wants to short this. For the bears, we look for this pattern right here. I mean, I'm gonna draw it back out on the chart again. We look for this pattern. If you don't see this pattern in the trend, you don't short. I mean, you can short if you want to and gamble, but This is the official reversal pattern in a trend right here. The official reversal pattern for the Nasdaq. Oh, there we go.
She's pushing.
Let's see if she do it. Now she's literally now at 3. Oh, there she goes. Oh, okay, she got it. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet.
3.9. That would be so sick if she dropped here.
She better touch it.
Yo, that would be wicked.
All right, there she goes. She touched 400. Okay.
Okay, she got it. Oh, I know people was sweating if they had it.
Shit, I thought she was going to, like I said, I thought she was going to drop at that gap fill, but she didn't. She got the 400. Now, if you push past 400, I mean, pushing past 400, I mean, it would be unlikely, but I mean, with all this bullish momentum, maybe, I guess. Oh, crap. No, damn it. Damn it, damn it. Okay, so all this, I mean, this liquidity gap right here, I mean, I guess if she does push past, then we can definitely get back up to 500. But I mean, without a decent pullback, I mean, I doubt it. But I mean, we're technically already, we're 3 legs up already. We're 3 legs up. But let me count how many legs we were down before. It was like 1, 2, 3. We're 4 legs down and 3 legs up.
Boom. Blast through. Broke through the wall. I still think it's setting up to.
Hold on, Smith. No, hold on. We got to address this, man.
410.
We got to address this. What'd you say earlier in the stream?
Get to 400. that was way back. Where were we? That was almost like the beginning. Beginning of the stream.
Yep. And you were trying. You wasn't. It seemed like you wasn't confident in it.
I was gonna keep it to myself, but I just wanted to see if it played out. Not that I wasn't confident in it. I was just, I don't know. It sounded crazy at the time.
Shit, with the Nasdaq, anything is possible, man. Nothing's too crazy for her.
Yeah, anything's possible.
But we do see that the ES is. Oh, never mind. The ES is technically still trending as well. The ES is still trending. Man, if I was able to get into that 180 position, I probably would have got out eventually. But this is where I was able to get into the follow-up. So when I missed this move at 180, I was so pissed. I was like, damn it, how did I miss this? And I was able to get in here at 205. You said what?
Yeah, let me ask you this.
What's up?
So you've been trading what, the PM markets or?
So as soon as 5 o'clock, 5:30, 6 o'clock hit, I mean, I'm on my desk. I'm at my desk. And I'm trading, baby. Because all the moves are happening in the pre-market. So shit.
Yeah, and it should be less. I mean, they're making big moves, but it should be, compared to the New York session, it's less volatile. You might be able to see things a little bit clearly since it's slower. I mean, it depends on how you read the markets. If you need that volatility, I normally am able to see it sometimes a little bit better if it's slower.
Yeah,
like I can see the setups forming.
Yeah, I mean, the ES is not hard to trade because it doesn't have that momentum variable. That's what makes the Nasdaq challenging, and that's why I enjoy trading the Nasdaq, because it's She's crazy, but she's not that crazy. If you can identify the patterns and ignore the momentum and just say, I understand that she just popped up 50 million points back up to my break even, but I know I can get my targets hit.
Yo, what did I say earlier? Like when I was in that short, I was short. I was up 30 points and it came all the way back to my break even. Like what?
Yeah.
That's you up 30 points, you should feel relatively safe, but
no. No.
I don't feel safe at all.
Is it 200 point plays in a day? Am I gonna get 2 from the scaling? What?
I think so.
Okay, so let's see if we get to 600, man. Let's see, man. Let's see if we get to 600.
Let's look at some higher
time frames. Yeah, because this shit looks like it wants, like, dude, I don't think so, man. I don't think so. I mean, we got this. I think this goes. I think this kind of fails here. What do you think? What do you think?
I mean, that looking at your chart,
I think that fails here, man.
Looking left, yeah, the technicals would suggest. I mean, yeah, look at all that. That's definitely a wall right there.
Mm-hmm.
That was previous like support turned
resistance.
So yeah, especially with this big run up, you got 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 legs from the bottom.
Yeah, you got 3 legs, and you got that extra extended leg right here. I mean, it's shorting now. So
yeah, shorting
now, and then the ES, because the Nasdaq can keep going, but I know that the ES will hold her back, and there she goes. So is this an official reversal pattern? No, not yet. I mean, we do have a break of structure, but we still have all this bullish momentum. So what we're going to need is, let me see if I can see it on the ES. So the reason why I kind of took this short, but I was like, damn it, maybe I was kind of wrong. I mean, they have, you see them before they exhausted, they swept the liquidity above this high, and then they exhausted twice in 2 moves. So this was 2 separate exhaustion patterns into one. So this was the first one, and this was the second one. And that's why I was like, how many times are the bulls going to exhaust? Like, just get this shit up. Like, give it up. Like, give it up. But this kind of does look like they're about to exhaust. So we get this, and we get them to come back, and they shorted here around 320-ish. Probably here at, okay, so 318, 320-ish. We can probably see that move down. We can probably see it. But for the sake of my position, I wouldn't mind and keep going. But all in all, man, this is a good trade, good stream. Only took 1 losing trade, a foolish loss at that. That could have been completely avoided, completely. Recognize that the trend was long. We flipped long, and we didn't get caught up like the other foolish bears that tried shorting this market.
Silly bears, shorts are for kids.
Silly bears. We're in a bull market.
I'm thinking we're back.
Nah, this shit. I think we're getting that drop. If not tomorrow, next week, we're getting that drop, or at least a rebalance. Unless the bulls, go ahead.
Could do it overnight.
Yeah,
they love to do. They love to come in at night when the bulls sleeping.
Yeah, the bulls
come out at night.
The bears just want to have fun.
Bears come out at night. Sure.
All right, so let's see. Oh crap! You know what? This actually might be a bear trap. This might be a bear trap. This actually might be a bear trap. I see the pattern. Okay, this might be a bear trap right here. We'll see. We'll see if we get price to trade below this low, but I think they're already coming back in. Yeah, this is a bear trap.
Trap.
Here comes that bear trap.
35, 344. When the Bulls got it, they got it.
I'll consider doing that. Alfred. I'll consider it. I think I'm just only trading the. I'm starting to trade this week at the open because they keep double bottoming at the end of the damn session. I hate that shit, man. I keep complaining on Smith. I keep crying. Like, yo, Smith, what the fuck? Like, why do they keep doing that?
That is true.
It's like, why do they keep doing that? Stop double bottoming at the end of the session. Now I gotta trade the pre-market.
I don't know if they. Now, yesterday, I figured, even though we were up, we were up like over 400 points yesterday as well, and then it gave it all the way back and down like 200 or something. And I was like, I figured that was gonna happen. Today, I don't know. Seems a little bit different. Got a different vibe to it. We just keep going up. We haven't gotten that significant pullback yet.
Yeah, I think this is going to keep on going up, man. Today is just going to be, I mean, there's so much buying in the market right now. The CVD is mad positive right now. Mad positive. I mean, you're not going to short all this buying momentum. We got, at one point in time, it was 14,000 on the ES. So the buyers are buying. Everybody's buying the dip. I mean, you're not going to get Nvidia, you're not going to get Microsoft, these tech stocks. Like when they dip, people buy it. I mean, it's just the nature of the beast. People buy those stocks when they dip. So we're going to see moves like this when we see big drops. Everybody talks about, oh man, I bought Bitcoin this time. If I bought Apple this time, if I bought Nvidia this time, ain't nobody trying to play that game where it was like, no, I did buy it this time. If it dips, I'm buying more. It's a discount. That's the mentality of the market nowadays.
How it used to be, though, especially in crypto.
Yeah.
You buy the dip and it keeps dipping.
You buy the dip. It's down 2 million%, and it's only up a point, a percentage. Go ahead.
Buy the dip and MS keeps dropping.
Thinking we're back. 100-point Sharn, baby. 200-point Sharn, baby. Let's go.
Let me look at a higher range to see. Like, okay, we tapped into the 400 area.
That's the shameful part, man. That's the shame. That is always the shame, man. Trading is so easy when you trade with the trend. Oh my God. Remember we used to fight this? I'm pretty sure there's still people. I mean, obviously there's people fighting this, but I mean, if you're a part of this stream, you know that you can learn from our experience that shorting a trending market just does not work. You get one good try, like, dude, you get one good short in a trend market, and once the market gives you that one good short, you try to short it again, yeah, you're done. There was no short opportunity after that first one.
They're buying like some wild, insane maniacs right now. It hit a. What is it?
Yeah, this is your only short that you got today. The only short. But if you tried shorting this market at any other point of the day, even at areas of resistance, you became liquid. You became liquidity if you tried shorting this damn thing. All right, so we are getting that golden zone. I know Alfred said 450. And that's exactly where this golden zone is right here on my chart, is at 450.
You just hit I'd be careful around the area.
Yeah, it's a 23% too on this chart.
Hourly, a lot of wicks back to the left.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of they failed around here a lot of times. Around that 450, 440, 430 area.
Yeah.
But like you said, it is a trending day, so they might not even care about all that. But just be mindful, keep it on the radar.
Yeah. And we are getting close. Oh, go ahead.
No, that's all I had.
We are getting close to that reversal hour, so also be mindful of that.
Yeah.
So I'll say this. So if once I'm done with the NA meetings, if I start trading, I mean, I guess I might as well. It could get ugly though. I ain't gonna lie. Those are my gambling hours. It could get ugly.
Yo.
Those are casino hours.
Casino hours. My true self comes alive at those hours.
I'm on my best behavior on the stream, baby, because I know. But during those hours, nah. Y'all ain't taking that away from me. I'm gambling.
Yeah, I'm not taking out. It could get ugly. He's like, I'll help you navigate New York session, but the pre-market is mine.
No. The pre-market is mine, baby. It's a casino. If y'all see a 30-point stop, hey, I want my damn target, goddamn. And I'm willing. Nah, it doesn't get that ugly, but
He said it could get ugly.
Look at that drop.
Another 450 book map. Got a front running.
Yeah, so I'm starting to real. So I haven't since I haven't traded the Nasdaq. I haven't been updating these fibs, and I will say, I mean, this been on. So let me actually look at the date when I had this on. So this is all the way from, what is that, July 23rd. July 23rd, and the fibs are still holding up from July 23rd, and I have not updated this thing. It seems that either it's the golden fib or the 23% that the market loves. So I'm looking at this other chart right here, and I'm going to look at the date, and this is from the 26th, and you can see that the golden fib is a 23% on this chart. So what I'm going to start actually really looking at is if we're at the golden zone or the 23%. Let's actually just kind of back test this a little bit since we're not really doing anything. I mean, it seems like the 23% in the golden zone, no matter where it hits, that's where the market wants to go. I mean, you got this big golden zone range. You can see that they found support and resistance at the 23%, and they sold it at the 23%. And then they came back and they sold it again at the 23% using the 23% as a big giant range. So, so I guess the Nasdaq likes that golden zone at 23%.
You know, the next spot I see is 460 and 470.
460, 470?
463 to 473. Potential spot to sell off. I don't think they're going to be. We are approaching that hour, like you said. See what they do at 10 o'clock, but
yeah,
they keep the trend. I mean, it would make sense if you're a bear to Like, okay, we ran up all this. It's our turn now. Let us get our rotation. But I just don't know.
Mm-hmm. I mean, that's what makes the trading the Nasdaq exciting, man. You just don't know. She can follow the technical analysis, but at the same time, she doesn't have to. That's what makes trading her so fun and the adrenaline rush. The ES is like, bitch, I know what you're gonna do. I mean, you might now be trying to hang out with your sister, but I know you ain't gonna trade past this high. So I know if I keep my stop above this, if you touch it, I'm wrong. I mean, I think that's what it is with the ES. You know you're wrong when you're wrong. The Nasdaq, you might be wrong, but shit, you might be right. You might have been just too early on it, so you'll try again.
I'd be wrong, but you might be right. Yeah, that's happened to me. I usually, especially in the past, I get in way too early on the move because like you see it forming and then it just takes a little longer to play out than you anticipated. You'll be wrong for the moment, but as long as it don't pull away too far for you, you can take the beating, the temporary beating that she gives you. You be super stoked when it finally hits.
Let me see. I think I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna scale into this. I'm scaling into it. Take that. Some pullbacks, you take that and put it right underneath this candle and see if we can get some of these other targets hit. I mean, that might have been a bad scaling. That might have been. But the way this is looking, we might get a double top at least. Or we could get it to, we'll see. We'll see. We'll see if I was wrong on this one.
All the indicators that I'm looking at would point to the downside, but still got a green 15-minute candle. It's saying to short that one. The hourly still super bullish looking.
I didn't look at that.
4 hour, yeah.
Yeah. Look at that green candle, baby.
Did hit an S1 4 hour. There's actually some decent activity there. A bunch of wicks around the high that we hit. So it could be right. But I think this is as good as y'all shorts get right now, I think.
Yeah.
Well, let's see what time is it? Let's see what happens in a couple seconds.
10 let's see what happens. I mean, nah, I'm not going to sit here and try to perform mental gymnastics on myself. So when I was trying to convince myself, I was like, oh my God, what if this is a failure pattern? Or not a failure pattern? What if this is an exhaustion pattern? Because you can see that they're trying, and then they might get exhausted and we might see that move down. But nah, you're not going to trick me, my inner voice. You're not going to trick me.
I honestly think they're just waiting for that time now.
Yeah.
They like to make the moves at key times. About to be 10 o'clock. Look at them.
All right, so it's 10 o'clock.
Just got more volatile right at the top of the hour.
It's crazy that I was trying to play mental gymnastics on myself and saying that I was wrong. That's why those like emotions, you just gotta shut that stupid shit out. But at the same time, like I said, it does kind of look like they're exhausting. But we'll know. Who knows, man?
They're like, now's our chance. Now's our chance. All right, got 450 on the wall over there. 50. 4-hour did hit that. We just changed on the hourly.
Actually, let me see how that new hourly candle looks, how it opened. I mean, that's not bullish, but it's not bearish yet. But that's not a that's not a bullish open. That's not a bullish open. But it's not bearish yet. As a higher time frame trader, that would not give me confidence to buy that candle. If you want a bullish hourly new like this, how it opened like right here, and how it opened right here, and stuff. When you see stuff like this, that's when you know that okay, we're going up. When we see these candles like that, where it's opening like almost inside the candle, that's not a bearish open, or not a bullish, but a bearish open. All right, so I guess my internal voice was right and I was wrong. Okay.
No, I think that's all they get. Oh, never mind.
I'm gonna close this one out because I don't know what the heck this thing's doing. Okay. All right. Okay. But all right, guys, that's all I have. I don't have anything else. We made a lot of money today. We made a lot of money today. I mean, aside from us blowing or not blowing, but hitting daily loss limit, yeah, that's what we did today. All right, so have you got anything for him?
No.
All right, guys, trade safe out there. I will say, just to remind you that this is the start of the reversal hour. If you want to come back in the afternoon session, that 1:20 to 1:30 time frame will be the best time to come back. The market set itself up, and it'll be ready to move usually around that time for power hour. So go out there, take a break, get some sunlight, eat some food. Don't try to stay in the charts unless you're trying to revenge trade it back. And because shit, hey, gotta be real. You gotta be real. People have feelings. You're not gonna leave your charts if you lost a lot of money today. Either you're gonna blow your account or you're gonna get that shit back. So that's how it goes, man. But all right, guys, appreciate you guys joining. We'll do it again tomorrow. Peace out.
All right, peace.